Hello everyone! Today I want to show you this nayeon inspired makeup tutorial. If you are curious to know how to create this makeup look, watch this video until the end. I'm gonna start with the foundation, and I choose the shade which is one shade lighter than my skin tone color, because one of nayeon's signature look is her bright skin. And next, as always, I'm gonna cover my dark circles up with a cream concealer. For the eyebrows, in this look, nayeon has a light brown slim eyebrows, and I'm gonna try to make my eyebrows look similar. For natural look, I will only use an eyebrow powder to draw my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to contour my face. I'm gonna start from the side of my nose to make it look more dimensional. And then I'm gonna make my chubby face look a little bit slimmer by applying the same shading powder around my jawline and the side of my cheeks. Now let's do the makeup. I'm gonna start by applying a matte light yellow eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna apply the same light yellow color onto the lower lid to create nayeon's signature eyeshadow. And then I'm going to apply a light purple eyeshadow onto my eyelid. I'm gonna take a medium purple eyeshadow and apply it onto the 1/3 of my eyelid at the other corner. And also apply a little bit onto the 1/3 of my eyelid at the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna rim my eyes with a dark brown eyeshadow. Make sure to use a very small eyeshadow brush to apply it, so you can make the line more precision. Next, I'm gonna smudge the eyeline a little bit by applying a dark brownish purple eyeshadow on top of it and blend it evenly. Next, I'm gonna make the eyeshadow look more pop out by applying a shimmer highlighter on top of it. Now I'm gonna finish off the eye makeup by applying false lashes and mascara. Next, I'm gonna apply a coral blusher onto the apple of my cheeks. For the lips, I'm going to apply some products. First, I'm gonna apply a nude lipstick as the base color. And then I'm gonna apply a dark coral pink lip tint onto the inner part of my lips. And I'm gonna use a light pink lip gloss to blend out the color and create a soft gradient lips. Now the makeup is done. This is the finished look. It's really perfect for summer, right? Let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!